Good day, class. Today we'll begin working on a group thesis that will explore globalization and its impact on various cultures. You three, Jana, Anika, and Ray, will form a team. I expect great insights from you guys.
Oh my god, yes! I think this will be fun.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it.
Perfecto. This will be the best thesis ever.
Agree.
That's the spirit. Remember, communication is key. And don't forget to manage your time zones. All right, I'll give you the rest of the time to start your planning.
Thank you, Sensei.
Ganito pala sa Manila, maingay, mauso, puno ng pangarap.
Hola!
Konnichiwa.
Lo siento. Let's do both.
Hi.
Peso and pound.
Oh my God, late na ako.
What took you so long, amigo?
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I think it's Filipino.
You know what, guys? I think we're already learning about our culture. Isn't that good?
Oh, I think let's just go with our. It's already late.
Lo siento, Anika, but you seem so quiet. It appears that you're uninterested with what we're doing.
Gomen and Dickinson, but in Japan, it's just usual to stay quiet, especially in public places, because it's our way in respecting one's personal space and their peace.
Okay, now I understand. In my defense, in our culture, Spanish people tend to talk more loudly and more lively. It's our way of being friendly to other people. And also, I apologize if I appear rude earlier because Spanish people way of greeting is to beso.
Oh, super.
You know, speaking of culture, earlier, Filipino usually normalize this Filipino time that we set time and arrive later. So I am really sorry about that, guy.
Daijoubu desu.
So, in conclusion, globalization isn't just about technology or economics, right? It's about understanding our differences too. Like me being loud and Anika being calm. That's globalization, right?
Yeah.
Right. It's about appreciating our differences, not instead of not just noticing them, right?
And finding ways to work together despite those differences. This is practical writing stuff, right?
Right?
Yes.
So why don't we just continue on practice?
Yeah.